Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is math lecture number 4 for grade 5, and we will see how to solve exercise number 4 of unit 4. It consists of division questions. How will we divide decimals by tens and by whole numbers or by decimals? Now in division, dividing with 10, 100 or 1000, the rule is to shift this decimal point to left side. Okay, now if it is divided by 10, you don't have to divide it. You can put this decimal point to one digit left side because there is 1 0, so it will become 4.18. Now when it is divided by 1000, we will move this digit to 3 digits left side, but there are no 3 digits, so we will add zeros from ourselves. Okay, like this, 0 0 0, 3 zeros, so that's why we add 3 zeros and then put this decimal point. Okay, we can avoid inserting decimal point in the end, but we have to insert it in the start. Now if it is divided by 100, so it will move 2 digits left side, so we don't have 2 digits. We will place 0 from ourselves, okay, to make it 2 digit, and then move the decimal point. Clear? Question number 2 is division with whole numbers. We will divide it in the simple way. 2 ones are 2, 3 subtract 2 is 1. Now we will take this decimal point upward in the quotient. Okay, simply write it here, that's it. Now take next digit 4, this is 14, 2 sevens are 14 and this 0, right? Now the question is, this is 18 and this is 8.1, so 8 is not divisible on 18, so we have to take these 2 digits. We will take decimal point upward from in the very start. Okay, now decimal is moved in quotient, it becomes 81. Okay, now solve is 18 fours are 72 and then subtract it and solve the question. Question 3 is dividing decimal with decimal. How to divide a decimal with decimal? We will remove with decimal. How to remove decimal point? By placing 1 in its place and adding 0 to the right digits. There is 1 digit after decimal point, so we will place 1 0. Okay, same is the case here. 1 in place of decimal point and 0 for the next digit, so it becomes 77 over 10 and 35 over 10, so decimal is removed. Now next step is to change this sign, convert this division sign into multiplication. Now as soon as we convert this sign, we will reverse this fraction. Okay, we will take its reciprocal, that is 10 will come in the numerator and 35 will be the denominator. So we remove decimal in first step, then we change the sign and convert this fraction, take its reciprocal. Now third step is cutting. Cut these values if they are divisible in one table, like this 10 ones are 10 and 10 ones are 10. Now 77 and 35 is divisible in 7. 7 11s are 77, 7 5s are 35, so we have 11 in numerator and 5 in denominator. Now divide it, we get 2.2. so in this way we divide one decimal with the other. Now we have real life sum. Question 4 is, there is 3.75 kilogram flour in 5 bags. How much flour will be in one bag? Now when we have to find one digit, we will divide it. Okay, so we will divide these two values in the same way. You can divide it in this way also, and you can solve it in this way also. Remove decimal point, place 1 and 2 zeros in its place, it becomes 375 over 100 divisible by 5. Now next step is to convert the sign. It will become multiply and take its reciprocal, it will become 1 over 5. Now next step is cutting. cut this, 5 ones are 5 and 5 75 is 375. So numerator is 75 and denominator is 100. Now divide these two and we will get 0.75. okay. Same is the question number 5. Quantity of oil is 67.5 liter while capacity of a bottle is this. So how much bottles will be used? So we will divide these digits in the same way. Next part is if capacity of bottle is 2.5, it was 4.5 in part A. Now if the capacity is 2.5, how much bottles will be used? We will divide again and get the answer. So this was your exercise number 4. Solve it in your copies and do practice. Take care. Allah Hafiz.